Good morning, students. Today we are going to perform an experiment half deflection method. Okay, this is the setup to perform half deflection method. For this, we have two circuits. One is this. Start from the positive terminal of Leclanché cell, then goes to galvanometer through resistance box and then to a key and reaches to negative terminal. Okay, one another circuit is there. A parallel circuit is also there. A resistance which is connected in parallel is known as shunt resistance. This resistance is shunt resistance. Okay. Now, what is Leclanché cell? Leclanché cell has carbon rod as positive electrode, zinc rod as negative electrode, and the electrolyte is of ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. Okay. Now, why? The name of this experiment is half deflection method, because in this experiment we determine the resistance of galvanometer by reducing the deflection half. Okay, so how we perform this experiment? For this we have two one-way key. One is in parallel circuit and one is in main circuit. This is main circuit and this is parallel circuit. This key work for main circuit and this key work for parallel circuit. So first, plug out a suitable resistance from resistance box, and this suitable resistance is 4000. We start from 4000, 2000. The key of 2000 and 2000 are plugged out, so the resistance becomes 4000. Okay, now plug in the key in main circuit. As you can find a deflection in galvanometer. This deflection is 10, 12, 14 and this is 15. 15 divisions are there. So the readings are for 4000 resistance, the deflection is 15. Okay. Now the second step of this is plug in the key in parallel circuit. Okay. As we plug in this key, then you get the null deflection in galvanometer. Now plug out the key from shunt resistance so that the resistance in galvanometer becomes half of initial value, means it is near about near about 7.5. So we plug out some keys and then I think this is near about 7.5. Okay, so what is the value of shunt resistance? 50, 20, 20. That is 90 is the 90 is the value of shunt resistance. Okay. Now the deflection is 7.5, half of 15. Okay, this is the reading of first step. Okay, yes. Now we repeat the experiment for 5000 resistance. The key of 5000 is plug out. Okay. Then as in first step or for first reading we have plug in this key, then the deflection is how much? 10, 12, 13. For 5000 this is 13. Okay, now plug in the key in parallel circuit, then once again the deflection becomes 0. So plug out the keys from shunt resistance so that the deflection becomes half. Now this is near 6.5, half of 13, and the value for this in shunt resistance is 50, 20, 20 and 10, and that becomes 100. Okay, so the readings are 5000 ohm, 13 is the deflection, then in shunt 100 ohm resistance, and the reading of half deflection is 6.5. Okay, repeat the experiment for third reading. First, taking the readings, plug out these keys. Okay, then fix the value of resistance in this resistance box. Now we plug out the keys for 6000 resistance, 5000, and one key for 1000. Okay, then similarly as in for first reading and second reading, we plug in the key, and the deflection for this is 10. The deflection is 10. For 6000 the deflection is 10. Okay, then introduce the shunt, but before this insert all the keys in shunt resistance box. Then plug in the key in this. Okay, Now plug out the keys so that the deflection in galvanometer becomes half. Okay, for this I think this is equal to 5. Okay, and for this the value in shunt resistance once again 50, 20, 20, and that is 90. Okay, so for shunt resistance 90, the half deflection is 5. Okay, again we repeat this experiment. So plug out these keys, okay, and insert all the keys. We set the resistance in this resistance box, that is 7000. So plug out key of 5000 and 2000. Okay, then plug in the key in this. The deflection is 9. For 7000, the deflection is 9. Now plug in the key in parallel circuit. The deflection becomes 0. Now plug out the keys in shunt resistance so that the deflection becomes half. So for 4.5, the resistance in shunt resistance is 100 ohm. Okay, shunt resistance 100 ohm, and the value of half deflection is 4.5. Okay, one more reading we require. So repeat the experiment once again. Now we plug out the keys in resistance box for 8000, 5000, 2000 and 1000. Okay, now plug in the key in main circuit. The deflection becomes 8. Okay, so we note the reading. For 8000, the deflection becomes 8. Now insert the key in parallel circuit and plug in all the keys first. Then plug out the keys so that the deflection in galvanometer becomes half. That is, yes, this is 4, half of 8, and for this we have the value in shunt resistance 50, 20, 20 and 100. So shunt resistance 100 and the half deflection is 4. Okay, now this is the written material for you. You have aim, requirement and the theory. Okay, after this complete and the circuit diagrams, both circuit diagrams. Okay, then no need of procedure, so we are on observation. For observation we draw this table and we have all these readings. Put these readings in this formula. We get the mean value of G. G is the resistance of galvanometer. Okay, then for figure of merit. What is figure of merit? Figure of merit is the current required for producing a deflection of one division. Once again, figure of merit is the current required for producing a deflection of one division. Okay, measured in ampere per division. Okay, so for figure of merit you cancel this column. Okay, put 1.5, 1.5, 1.5 in this. Okay, now copy this reading from this table. Okay, this column paste here. Okay, and the deflection this column paste here. Okay, then figure of merit K equal to E. The value is this upon R plus G into theta. R is this, theta is this, and the value of G from this table. Okay, then calculate figure of merit for each reading and then give the mean value. Okay, after this, result, precautions and sources of error. So from first table you got resistance of galvanometer, and from second table you got figure of merit of galvanometer. Okay,